Hello friends, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to switch to an Instagram business account. Now you may want to switch to an Instagram business account for various reasons. Maybe you want to monetize your Instagram, or you want to run ads, or you want to run your business with your Instagram business account, or maybe you want just to see the insights of your post and pictures on Instagram business account. Now in this video I'll show you how to switch to Instagram business account. Now for you to switch to Instagram business account, you will come to your profile. As you can see right now, I am on my profile, and you can click on the top right corner. You can see those three lines. You will click them that way, and then you will see settings and privacy. You will have to click settings and privacy, and then it will bring you to this page. Now you will scroll down. You will scroll down now. Right here for professionals, you will see account type and tools. You will have to click there. Then you will see switch to professional account. Now here is how we are going to change to switch to our Instagram business account. Now we will click switch to professional account. Now it will bring us here. We will click continue. Now it will bring us to this page. Now on this page, for you to switch to an Instagram business account, you have to choose the category where your business on Instagram will fall under. Now on this category, we have artists, we have musician and band, bloggers, and all these categories here. You can choose the category where you fall under. Now for this video I will choose blogger and click done. Now it will bring us to this page. Now on this page, because we want to switch to an Instagram business account, we will choose business and click next. Now on this page, it has brought us to promotional emails. Now we don't want to receive those emails. We will close this one and click next. Now here it has brought us to business information. Now if you want your customer to have access to your contacts after we have switched to Instagram business account, you can click next and it will bring us here. Now if you have a Facebook account which you want to connect to your Instagram business account, you can log into your Facebook, but on this video we will just skip, and it has brought us here because we had all filled all these things. It was already a personal account. Now it has switched to an Instagram business account. Now everything is all set. Now this one is our Instagram business account. We'll click done and then go back. Now as you can see, we have professional dashboard. This means that our Instagram, we have already switched to an Instagram business account. As you can see on this page, we have professional dashboard. You can click and you can see some insights. We have ad tools, branded content, saved replies. Now these are the tools that you can use on your Instagram business account. Now guys, this is how you can switch to an Instagram business account. Now if you have found this video helpful, if it has worked for you, please subscribe to my channel, and you can also leave a comment. If it has worked for you, you can leave a comment and tell me that it has worked for you. Otherwise, thank you and see you in the next one.